Here's how to add if logic in Power Query without typing any formula. In my table, I got this sales column, and I want to label each row as high, medium, or low based on the sales value. So first, I need to import this data into the Power Query. So go to Data, and this is a table, so I click from Table or Range. And inside this Power Query editor, go to Add Column and click on Conditional Column. And over here, I can rename this column. So I want it to be category. And the condition is that when the sales is greater or equals to 1,000, then I want it to be high. And if the sales is greater or equals to 500, I want it to be a medium. And everything below 500 would be low. And now I click on OK, and the category column is added nicely. So now I can just rename this table, and I can close and loop. So this is the table with the conditional column that we have added just now. And whenever if there's a data added in, so for example 3,000, I can just refresh over here. The new row will be added in with the conditional column that is added just now. So definitely try it out, and I'll see you next time.